Thermal fluids are widely used in heaters, mixers, presses, and reactor plants. They are capable of heating up to high temperatures for production purposes without applying a high pressure required to maintain heat with the use of other methods like steam-based systems. Thermal fluids perform at high temperatures and can be used for a long time if proper maintenance is provided. The need for periodic maintenance is due to the fact that all thermal fluids become contaminated with rust, wear products of pumps and fittings while in operation. Furthermore, long-term operation at high temperatures leads to oxidation and thermal cracking. These processes cause the formation of contaminants such as carbon, which can accumulate inside the pipes and adversely affect the efficiency of heat transfer, as well as eventually cause clogging. Contaminated oil has lower flash and self-ignition points, which increases the failure occurrence risk. Without proper maintenance, thermal oil quality degradation can have a cascading effect on the entire system, including wear of rotating components, such as pump impellers, gears and shafts, mechanical seals, and valve stems. Increased viscosity due to accumulation of solids, which also affects the pump and valves operation. Reduced performance of heaters and heat exchangers due to contamination of heat transfer surfaces with ash and sludge. Increased power consumption due to prolonged heating time. Timely maintenance will help in preventing the above and will simultaneously reduce the risks associated with expensive equipment downtimes and explosive environments. GlobeCore has developed a thermal fluid filtration technology, which is implemented in CMM-F systems operating with a capacity of 1,000 to 4,000 liters per hour. In these systems, thermal fluid filtration occurs in 2 stages. After connecting to the system, the contaminated oil first passes through a coarse filter and then undergoes additional purification by a fine filter. If so preferred by the customer, the filtration fineness can be adapted to the production requirements. In practical terms, it makes 0.3 microns for removal of impurities such as ash. The clogging rate of filter elements in thermal fluid filtration systems is monitored by instrument-based method. The filter changing process is simple. It is sufficient to open the cover, extract the clogged filter, and install a new one. In addition, for ease of use, the thermal oil filtration system is compactly designed and placed on a cart. This allows technicians to easily move it indoors, through doorways and narrow passages, ensuring timely maintenance of the equipment that uses thermal fluid. CMM-F thermal fluid filtration system manufactured by GlobeCore will be useful at your facility if you want to make your heating system safer, easier to maintain, and more efficient. If you have any questions, or need more information about a thermal fluid filtration system, please contact us in the comments, or visit our website www.globecore.com.